how to get started with JasperPack. What is JasperPack? But also it can be used in your electrical panel. Now when it's connected, download JasperPack Quick Start Guide. So it has a few steps, hotspot, and when it's enabled and ready to go, and hit enter. Blend it right to the JasperNode setup page. You're ready to program your first JasperNode program. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with JasperPack. What is JasperPack? JasperPack is a set of hardware prepared and pre-programmed ready for you to get started with the JasperNode. So what I have here is a power supply to 40 to 24 to power up other two devices. This is mini PC and have JasperNode installed, and we call it ControlMate. And here a basic Siemens Logo PLC pre-programmed and also ready to communicate to JasperNode. So this set is ready to go, but also it can be used in your electrical panel just to take it out from this DIN rail and put inside your enclosure. So now what I'm going to do is to put power on, and I'm just going to follow a simple instruction. See you in a minute. Yeah, I'm back. Now when it's connected and energized, I can see a few LEDs on. I'm going to bring you to my computer to see what I'm going to do. Now I'm in front of my computer, and the easiest way and most common way to get started is just to visit our website. At our website, you go to JasperPack, and here you download JasperPack Quick Start Guide. We have two options to connect to JasperNode. One of them is using Wi-Fi, and another one using your local office or home router. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect via Wi-Fi. So it has a few steps. The first step, I have to create a hotspot with name Jasper Wi-Fi and a password. So on my phone, I'm going to go to hotspot settings, and I'm going to create hotspot with the name Jasper Wi-Fi and the password provided. And when it's enabled and ready to go, JasperPack going to find this network and connect it. So now my computer is this programming PC. I need to open the web browser, which I already have, and type the serial number for this JasperPack. This JasperPack has a sticker with CM32. I'm going to type CM32.local and hit enter. It blended right to the JasperNode setup page. Now it's up to you to go through and set it up, and you'll be ready to program your first JasperNode program. See you later. Bye-bye.